Welcome back to VereTech Gaming. Today we're going through kit creation. This video could get a little tricky, so be sure to pay close attention on the commands and the resources I share, as they are all going to be super helpful. Firstly, big shout out to RustAssist and Don Matraka for hosting their one-of-a-kind kit bot. This bot enables you to interactively create a kit for your server on Discord and outputs the commands to put into your G-Portal Discord server OR. You can grab the VereTech kit code and install it directly from Discord using the /command /install-kit. So without further ado, let's get into it. Let's cover the traditional way of doing things. It's worth it if you can have a notepad open on your device whilst you type these up. It makes it much easier than entering it directly into your console on G-Portal. As you can see here, we have what perhaps looks to you like a string of random words and numbers. However, every part of this code is vital in its own right to ensure you get the right kit delivered in-game. All kit commands start with the word kit and then add. Add indicates what we want to do with the kit. For example, what we're using, kit add, implies to the server that we want to add an item to a kit. The next part, kit name, can be anything you want it to be. This is the name for the kit, so make it distinctive. Please note, this does not support spaces, so be sure to use underscores or hyphens in its place. The following word will be our item short name ID. There are plenty of available sources out there to get this information. For the AK, the item short name is rifle.ak, so here we will place that. The first number is quantity. How many do you want this kit to contain? So if you entered 2 here, you can expect when receiving this kit that we will end up with 2 AKs. The second number is condition. 0 represents broken and 1 represents new. We are allowed to use numbers here to 1 decimal place, so 0.5 would represent half health. Finally, we have the container choice. On this you have 3 options: wear, main, and belt. Choosing the wear option, which will only work with clothing, makes the chosen item force itself onto the player's anatomy and removing anything that is in its current position. Main is the container for inventory. Anything that ends in main will find itself landed within the player's inventory. The final option is belt. This represents the hotbar. Please be mindful that there are only 6 slots on the hotbar, so be sure not to overfill it. So if we were to take a look at this command here, kit add, adding to the kit. I'm just going to call it tutorial for right now. So we're adding to the kit tutorial. Rifle.ak, this is the short code for the AK-47. So far, we are adding the AK to a kit called tutorial. Quantity 1, this is going to make sure we only add 1 AK. Condition 1 in an untouched condition. And finally, belt, the hotbar. So this reads, add the AK-47 to the kit named tutorial. 1 of, in a new condition, and spawn it on my hotbar. To add further items, repeat this again, starting at always kit add tutorial to continue adding to the kit. I recommend using RustAssist and using their bot or the site Corrosion Hour, where you can search for items and research their short names. Now to add this entire kit to game, we need to use G-Portal. Heading into the webpage and opening the console panel, we need to enter this string of commands, 1 line at a time, into this console until we have entered every line. That's the traditional method. Now for the VereTech method. Go ahead and add the server of RustAssist into your Discord. The invite code is discord.gg/RustAssist. And navigate yourself to the build kit page. To get started using the kit builder, use the command /build-kit and hit enter. Here we will need to select which group we wish to add to your kit. Selecting a group will make all of your players with that permissions level continuously spawn with the kit you are about to create. I recommend choosing none so this doesn't happen. Now we need to name the kit. Because I already installed a kit using the name tutorial, let's go ahead and name this one tutorial 2. Very creative, I know. Now you will see that we need to select a category. I am just going to create a hazmat kit with a Thompson, a few bullets, and some bandages. So first, let's choose clothing, then MISC, and you'll see here we have hazmat suit. As you can see, we are getting the container selection. I want to wear the suit, so I'm going to choose wear. This is the quantity selection. Obviously, we can only wear 1 at a time, so I'm going to enter 1 and submit. Now you see we have the option to add another item or build my kit. Because I still have more to add, I'm going to go ahead and click add another item. Now we want a Tommy, so let's choose weapons, submachine guns, Thompson. This time I want to spawn it in my hotbar, so we're going to choose hotbar. Quantity 1, add another item, this time ammo, pistol ammo, inventory, since it had no use in the hotbar. I'm quite a horrible server owner, so I'm going to enter 50. Finally, bandages, so add another item, medical, bandage, hotbar. Since I need them to hand, I only want 3. Now we're ready to complete the kit, so we're going to choose build my kit. Now you see we have 2 options. This allows for easier copying and pasting of the kit code we are going to need in a minute. So let's choose desktop. Now here's the fun part. We have 2 text boxes. The bottom one, as you can see, is how we enter the code into the gPortal console, which you are more than welcome to do again, but we have another way. We can use this special code name, the VereTech kit code. If we copy this and head back into our server, we have a sweet little trick where we no longer need to enter the code one at a time. Introducing the install kit command /install-kit, select your game server, and now you see it's asking for a kit code. Simply paste the code here from the kit builder, hit enter, and watch the magic happen. The longer your code, the longer this will take, but essentially this kit code is now being submitted by VereTech line by line, so you don't have to sit and separate it all yourself. There! Now you see that the kit's just been installed into your game server. Please read through all of this and make sure nothing is duplicated or missing. Alternatively, you can get yourself into your game server and use the following command to test. /run, and the command we need is kit give to player, all one word, the kit name that we just made, for us it's tutorial 2, followed by your console name. And remember those quotation marks. Check yourself in game, and there you have it. 2 super easy ways to create kits, install them into your game server, and how to test. We will see you in the next video where we will be getting into VereTech economy and start putting these kits to use. Until then, happy grubbin'.